The last function in our function videos is CountIF. So what we're going to do is build on the information and knowledge that we gained with the logical if test to use the CountIF function. Very similar, except for this time we're going to ask Excel to count the number of cells within a range that meet a given condition. So we're going to count if the cells in the range of C2 through C8 have the flooring of wood. So the name of the function is CountIF. The argument includes the range of C2 to C8. And we're going to look to see if the criteria is wood. So back at our spreadsheet, this time we are going to come down here to cell B10 where the word wood is. So we're going to come up here to our formula bar, click on the formula tab, come down here to logical, and we're going to insert a function, and we're going to type in CountIF and choose go. Select CountIF function and choose OK. Function dialog box pops up, and there's only two areas that we need to put information in. We can take our mouse and select the range of C2 through C8, or we can just type it in because we know that that's the range. The criteria: what is the condition in the form of a number, expression, or text of which we want to have counted? Since it's a word, we need to put in the quotes. So we've got quote, wood, end quote. And once again, we get the formula result is 3. So we have 3 units that have wood flooring. We can choose OK. Going to continue down to cell B11. Going to go to the f of x dialog box, choose that. And since CountIF was the function that we just used, it'll appear up at the top, and we can choose OK. The range is exactly the same, C2 through C8, but our criteria this time changes from wood to carpet. So we're going to put quotes, carpet, end quote, and we get the formula result is 2. Our third flooring option in our small unit count here is tile. So we'll need to count how many units have tile. We're going to come back up here to the Insert Function button, select CountIF, and choose OK. Our range is the same range that we've been working with our other 2 functions, but this time our criteria changes from carpet or from wood to tile. I'm going to do quote, tile, T-I-L-E, end quote, and choose OK. And notice Excel's pretty smart regardless if it's a capital T or a little t, a capital C or a little c, or a capital W or a little w. So now we can see that 3 units have wood, 2 units have carpet, and 2 units have tile using the CountIF function.